Machidunga, Yene Anabuna Jedu, Kutambo, Balana, Don't get a Godunga, Machidunga, Yenezuna Nabuna Jedu, Kutambo, Balana, Adonga Mera, Budunda, Balana, Juna, 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 Yes.
Wait, I'm In the next section, we shall go into our language groups, and the groups will be according to the structures. Women will sit alone. The women of Greater Jonglei and Pibor administrative area will sit alone. The youth from Murle, the Dinka and the Nuer will sit alone. The chiefs will also sit alone, and the commissioners will sit alone. And things to be discussed will be projected.
Men koji bankwen alen moyali binyamin engedane ding ador ton makit atem malwal mabur mai kun makunle ugana dinay kubenje ko bakenye ding padingo paneron yo benyo malwal chat onter ko jare malwal instead number 1 ni no finale benchir mayar kupal men koji bankwen alen moyali binyamin engedane ding ador ton makit atem malwal mabur mai kun makunle
Youth. Sabab ini? Sorbolis. Then women come here. Women. Women. Bakalangalang. What did let them leave the road. Conference. David and Mike. Boarding school. Yes, now we need Niel, 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 Niel.
man ben Jonglei we da Amudi dang ya bango Shaji no tu go go tu Jonglei Amani meji man ben Jonglei Ayo measure man ben jonglei weda jonglei weda amudi dang bango sha you know to go to jonglei amane measure man ben jonglei I
viewers, good afternoon, and welcome back to another session. As you can see at the background, the participants are discussing in groups, and these groups are divided four groups. There is a group for county commissioners, another group for traditional chiefs for both Murle, the Nuer, and the Dinka, and then there is a group for youth, the youth from Murle, the Nuer, and the Dinka, then the group of women. What is being discussed in these groups are four things. In the last ICGS, there were some resolutions, action points that were to be implemented. And these resolutions or the outcomes were not implemented as expected. So now they want to discuss, see what was the blockage and what can be done differently so that the agreed outcomes implemented this time round. So first one, commissioners are discussing about boarding school for the three communities. They want to identify a common location where the boarding school will be set up, where the children of Murle, the Nuer, and the Dinka will come for school. It will be a boarding. They are also looking at the aspect of security. How will security look like in that particular location that has been chosen? And the location should be a location that is nearer to each community. There are some suggestions already choosing Kadiang as a place for boarding school, because Kadiang is bordering both the Nuer, the Murle, and the Dinka themselves. So it's like a centered place where the boarding school is, they feel like this is the appropriate location where all the children can study together. They're also looking at the teachers, uh, what kind of teachers are needed. They're going to be mixed teachers from the three communities, or what kind of this commission. Then coming to the youth, it was agreed that youth would open the roads by walking in groups. That is the Murle, the Nuer, and the Dinka, as a way of making sure that regular exchange visits conducted among the youth. So the youth are now discussing how can they make the roads opening reality, and when do they want to do this roads opening. So they will agree which roads are supposed to be opened, the number of youths to do that, where and when, and the meeting point where they will meet as the youth. Now discuss moving forward how they will be patrolling the bordering areas. The third group are the women. The women are discussing the women conference. Came out in different meetings that under this program they need to conduct women conference where women of Mule, Jonglei, Tinkabor, Nuer, Mule will have their own space to discuss how they will support equal existence and how they will also support retrieval of abducted women and children in their communities. How will they share information with the government, the stakeholders, NGOs, help resolve issues around women and children abducted and they are not shown within the community. That conference is important. So the women are planning what is conference going to tackle, where and when this conference is to take place. Then the traditional courts are discussing about the mobile courts. So the mobile courts have openly been requested due to accumulated unresolved cases within communities that support vicious cycle of revenge killings. So the traditional chiefs felt that there is a need to establish mobile courts different communities to resolve first-hand cases so that the communities of the victims are given justice without delay. They cited that most of the conflicts are most of the conflict start because the people do not the judges, the lack of judges is a problem. So they're saying they want to find a way of coming up with resolutions that will support the establishment of mobile courts, Murle in Dinka and in other lands, so that several cases, including cases of abductees, are resolved, cases of murder are resolved, cases of cattle theft are resolved until such a time the state will have county judges appointed. But for the time being, the county court judges are not appointed. It is important that chiefs act in this particular time to ensure that cases are resolved to reduce violence among the communities. So this is what is taking place. So as you can hear, the youth are like debating. They want to suggest roads that they want to open first. So from Pibor to Akobo, from Beach, Gadiang, from Beach to Fulbura, Road, and from Beach to Anyedi. All those, this is what they are debating, as you can see them at the background. So thank you so much. We will come back with more updates on what you should need to know. Thank you for taking time. Stick to this page, please support Jaguang Media Productions. Send them stars so that they can promote their work. This is a good media, are doing good job, are connecting the South Sudanese online, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for listening to me.
No, you know, Murle, then go where Daga Jonglei. I am Yasularo, be in a Murle, then go where Daga Jonglei. I am Yasularo, boy in a Murle, then go where Daga Jonglei. Wait a moment, wait a moment, it's your way. I murle, then go where dog and only. Wait a boom, wait a boom, the ditch you way. Wait a boom, wait a boom, the ditch you way. And only wait a boom, and no you way. I am your Suloro, no, you're not murle, then go where dog and only. I am your Suloro, be a murle, then go where dog and only. I am your Suloro, boy, and a murle, then go where dog and only. Wait a boom, the ditch you way.
Ya biping ya yum num biar de ngagolem duaji ping ba ya ben jinu firmie ye ping ye kang fa jwale de ngubu bore le bing ne meji le bing ne meji David Majob Jr. Mayar ku parliament ko ji ban kwen alen mayar li bin en dan ding ador ton makit atem malwal ma bur mai kun wa kunle ku gavna dinai ku ben je ko makin ding mading bu paneron yo ben ro malwal chat onter ko jare malwal state and number 1 ni no finale ben kir mayar ku parliament ko ji ban kwen alen mayar li bin dane ding ador ton makit atem malwal ma bur mai kun ma kunle ku gavna dinai ku ben jo ko makin ding mading bu paneron yo ben ro malwal chat onter ko jare malwal state and number 1 you bana le ben kir mayar ku parliament ko ji ban kwen alen mayar le bin dane ding ador ton makit atem malwal ma bur mai kun ma kunle ku gavna dinai ku ben jo ko makin ding mading bu paneron yo ben ro malwal chat onter ko jare malwal state and number 1 ni on banwe ala ya dani jongule una dugen ol duru dawe uti goli joro dora toy ko joro gol chalo re diji kurgulu sai be ga badang ayudu banga kwaji be ujawe joguru ching dori ngali balwa tek to kumane rut joguru ching doro e panto balwa tek to ga ching kun joguru ching doro e panto awole dem dongar kwa kono manyel gwong ira dugenda anye walai jongule nga jaga gom dan twinya rien bende walai jongule ayo zeng mami dan mating bor bende walai jongule an bo ma ko deng bo lawol ira ulongre bende walai jongule abile ma kwanye daw dan ura padang bende walai jongule ala le chorwa dan udawa bende walai jongule joguru ching doi men ko ji ban kwen alen marial binyimin eng dan ding ador ton makit atem malwal ma bur mai kon ma kunle ugal na dinay ku benje ko bakenyi ding madingo kandaron yo benro malwal chat antar ko jare malwal isteda number 1 no pinale benchir mayar ku parliament ko ji ban kwen alen marial binyimin eng dan ding ador ton makit atem malwal ma bur mai kon ma kunle ugal na dinay ku benje ko bakenyi ding madingo kandaron yo benro malwal chat antar ko jare malwal isteda number 1 Juba na le benchir mayar ku parliament ko ji ban kwen alen marial binyimin eng dan ding ador ton makit atem malwal ma bur mai kul ma kunle ugal na dinay ku benje ko bakenyi ding madingo kandaron yo benro malwal chat antar ko jare malwal isteda number 1 ni on banwe ala ya den Jonglei una dugen ol duru dawe uti goli toro ora toy toro burjalo me diji kurgulu sai bega batang ayudu banga kwaji unawe yoguru chengadori nyali balwate tugumane rut yoguru chengadori ye bantu balwate tugachinga kun yoguru chengadori ye bantu awole dem dongar kwa kon manyel gom yedu genda manye walai Jonglei nga jaga gom am twinya yam benje walai Jonglei ayoy seng mami am mati bor benje walai Jonglei an bo ma ko den bo lawol yewu lawme manye walai Jonglei abile ma panye daw am ura padang benje walai Jonglei alan le chorwa am udawa benje walai Jonglei
Wajeng da yurule juwapir Jeng yurule juwapir Bany monja yurule juwapir En binga chen yandalay Wajeng da yurule juwapir Jeng yurule juwapir Bany monjang yurule juwapir En binga chen yandalay Let's go to London, Najwa de Baishiloi, let's go to London, Najwa de Baishiloi, Bororia ping wet, Bororia ping a con back, Mondi
she mal ben Jonglei away da Jonglei away da Jonglei away da I want it down your bang Sha you know to go to Jonglei I'm an imagine mal ben Jonglei I shimal ben de jonglei jonglei weda jonglei weda jonglei weda angudi tang jabanga shaji no tu go tu jonglei amane me shimal ben de jonglei Jonglei, a man and nation Malvin, Jonglei, Jonglei away, Jonglei away, Jonglei away. I want it down your bang. Shag you know to go to a Jonglei, a man and nation Malvin, Jonglei.
Away
Warada injinumda kwenya arbarinata Yunya arbunumata Yunya arbarinata Jamulaida Anveru Jamulaida
measure mal ben jonglei weda jonglei weda amudi dang ya bango sha you no to go to jonglei amane measure mal ben jonglei
barinata yugunya arbunumata yugunya arbarinata yugunya arbunumata pandai Jonglei Jonglei Werda enjinumda wenya arbarinata yunya arbunumata yunya arbarinata Jonglei angeru Jonglei
Jonglei we da. Angode tang ya bango. Sajindo tu go tu Jonglei. Amana meshe mal ben Jonglei. Jonglei we da, Jonglei we da, Jonglei we da. Angode tang ya bango. Sajindo tu go tu Jonglei. Amana meshe mal ben Jonglei.
We
Yawunya arbamum mato panda Jonglei da Jonglei da Wereda enjinumda wenya arbarinata Yawunya arbamumata Yawunya arbarinata Jonglei da Angeru Jonglei da Panda nega we will Lord Pinda nega we will Lord Wenya arbarinata Yawunya arbamumata Yawunya arbarinata Yawunya arbamumata Jonglei da Panda nega we will Lord Pinda nega we will Lord Wenya arbarinata Panda Yawunya arbamumata Baya wind mumata Rumbe mumata Baya wow mumata Baya biay mumata Panda Jonglei da Jonglei da
Jonglei we die, Jonglei we die. I want it down your bang. Sajin don't do go to a Jonglei. A man and nation man then Jonglei. Jonglei we die, Jonglei we die, Jonglei we die. I want it down your bang. Sajin don't do go to a Jonglei. A man and nation man then Jonglei.
Yunumda kwenya arburinata Yunya arbunumata Yunya arburinata Jamulaida Angeru Jamulaida
Jonglei wida. Angode tang ya bango. Shajindo tu go tu Jonglei. Amana meshi mal ben Jonglei. Jonglei wida. Angode tang ya bango. Shajindo tu go tu Jonglei. Amana meshi mal ben Jonglei.
Go to Asians music. 50 years ago, it's your boy International Banana Criminal for the Bobby Lab. G Family Music. Around here we go. Yura Dora Fulwara Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura Dora Fulwara Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura Dora Fulwara Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura Dora Fulwara Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Enchanda mene kon gawar, Shangoida mene kon gawar, Entada mene kon gawar, Robola mene kon gawar. Bulwadus yang tijor, Salgaje nyayang, Sang diadus mo bulfer, Onong ne nyayang, Mupije tit sugde, Yene sham de ping, Wijud ko kana dit ko, Shikayen ganyawang, Robola, Salgaje nyayang nyayang, Nyayang da, nyay ni ko tilaraw nyayang. Nyayang da, nyay ni ko tilaraw nyawang. Nyayang da, nyay ni ko tilaraw kaji. Nyay mi siyang na meet, dide ya fuz mo dit ko ya dusin. Balang mi siyang na meet, dide ya fuz mo dit ko ya dusin. Mira ti kwaliw, eti kwal, mira ti kwaliw, eti kwal. Nyay mi siyang na tarir, nyay mi siyang na matbuk kana garawal. Balang mi siyang na Nairobi, nyay mi siyang na nyangkien, nyay mi siyang na meet. Mira ti kwaliw, eti kwal, mira ti kwaliw, eti kwal. Nya burjo mi kai, mi shalat, nya burjo mi go, mi shalat, nya burjo mi kai, mi shalat. Aliyen nga nyawang, aliyen nga nyawang. Bedam ju nyari bo, bedung ya wanja du, bedung ya wanja du, bedung ya wanja du, bedung ya wanja du kwem. Aliyen nga nyawang, aliyen nga nyawang. Bedam ju nyari bo, badus mo go kwas, go me kam den wa. Sugo ngai logara me na dagawat, mukola logara me na dagawat. Yura dora fulwara shenda munda gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura dora fulwara shenda munda gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura dora fulwara shenda munda gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura dora fulwara shenda munda gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa. Yura Dora Mogu Shenda Dene Fagil, Dene Fagung, Dene Quading Regan War, Dene Kengo, Gawar Lu. Yura Dora Fajek Shenda, Dene Fajek, Dene Wadong Regan War, Dene Kurwa, Gawar Lu. Mogu Gawar Quadenga, Gawar Fagilla, Gawar Kurwaida, Gawar and Wadong, Gawar Fajekda, Gawar and Goda, Gawar Pagunda, Gawar Ascomda, Gawar.
We worship the munda.
We worship you, Gawar.
Yura dora fulwara shenda munda gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura dora fulwara shenda munda gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura dora fulwara shenda munda gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa.
Yura dora fulwara shenda munda gungawa.
Yura Shenda Munda Gungawa. Pada bilawa cha for belle falle nyam te man ga ye tu don ma jel ga pakan kawe ko yunye nyamela dun ya war yar banya wanja du
dunya wanja du
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 kure nya dan su mi ya til wala mai lo melu nyang tung no yang wa ngai ga re
kure nya dan su mi ya til.
Anga kun kol mo anga gura ja pan ga gura riya pan ga ma ko ba pan jol
Go God to the will, go call the quick, kaya, and what. Jawdi, what the jet when I'm Golden, going on to mommy. Now we're being the woman, yeah, my woman, my queen, my woman, the queen. Yama, you be out to do this, I can't ever see. I'm ready, morning to the beat. So when you want to be, you got very dark and too bad, with a good and jicky. One I need a woman, and you're the dog, and I'm a good. Tira will go call quick Kayam. There was the Jodi of what the jet Panamiki. Golden governor to mommy, Macquinio. Now we're being the woman, yeah, my queen. Oh, the wood. Yama, if you be out to hear this, you can't ever see. I'm ready, morning to the beat. So when you want to be. Inga gay dark and red, but my dear, I take me. Why need a woman? And you're the door, I put your disease. Don't want my cook or county, Jabba. And a jewel, my nigga. One got good. Na ya jumba jo amu makwinu majaba babai woman yang dane juga ajero gwen ni unu manyambo ligatu deviti kwe ali kitwa tarabwa kabi do anje oi magafu akoli le nyura ko jetmanyele ina yo kulwa ya kulia amawade jujo Ayandele unuma yelo na jod ugange jana ya jumba jok amu makwinu majaba babai woman yandele juka jelo rwe ni unuma nyambo ligatu deviti ye ali kitona tarabwa kabi medo anje koi mako akole le nyura ko janyele inayo julwa ya yapo Juga yuen majula chizun yarien bang yele majak amu kenyu kile umagilio anu bore ya sukun kami wene kayu lekai mami roli sona le majugo wene kanya keju amu kiro manilwa tiga urang majot asar tu kerja on mor mayuna god kulon bil ya
Jonglei Now we coming to an end of today, day 2. We've tackled on some of very hard questions or discussions we've carried out. We will not hear the feedback now. We will look at that tomorrow, as Gordon mentioned. So, as usual, when you see me, it's time for us to stand up because we've been sitting all day. Now we are finishing, so let's all stand up. And again, I want us to take few seconds and just do some reflections of the whole day. And think in particular what stood out for you. What was so like, this one stood out for me. Think about that. So let's just have a quick moment of silence. Just reflect what stood out for you. Thank you very much. Remain standing. Now, just as yesterday, no speech. Just one thing that you thought, oh, this stood out for me. One. No speech, just one thing.
Tango anane chenen dawen cha dawen na gurum ni chi yu nyurien ka chi bo nyur ga nyurien ka yi man nyur ga nyurien che yu chere tan la te karan chang ka na gat ka chaude.
We have lost English.
Ayen kasin chu yo amara wenich yen acha la le lwa do yo ben wo ma die ko lama yen wo be jal pe ni te diak ko cha wo chuk ko la jabel ko la ma bol lo ko jabel ku bo ko ga tu ku bo ram ku pe nya ka mi ko mu ga yang kena yo le do ra chito wo bla yo nyin wo bla ram pe we ti ko cha kena bedi to ko piet.
Very good. I want to walk with them too. I'm offering myself to walk with that team. Yes.
Ka joana na korom tay ni cho gi cha doi kak alangan ka ngolo na bale kenem to na o karte ya gon doi da gi jige de ne kutu gud gi wachen na ga dog baka doi na ka joa gi ni cho kaga abonna tere akode arumi gi jigaro ngana gao korong da ko to da lo ne lo ne cho do
Ren min chenen wala ke changa yo chi man cha so ku pai la da kan ni wen man chi kan to la wala cha joy o kan bi ka te mal cha so cha la gwa nta ne nyuro go ma cha joy o cha to la da kan.
Men nyanen Wen me yenen na pan moni warun moni entiani. Mi na nyur goli nga yerun wone dialo mat. Ba la na to tirambi jal gole nya. Ka tirambi ra nya wa dora dien.
Salam kum. Aya alo no. Yen wo yo ko nyale ma dun ter. Koi kuma na ma yo ko mat. Yen man ngo mo ko rudu. O kiru be mat. Nyale ta chuku be mat. O ki koi kuma na ma be mat. O ki koi ka kuma be mat. Ane ran dun to ro ki chol o koi ka chuku be mat lo ko la mat ka bo mo je mikela.
Rin ga bandit. Kicha yu ya madande kuli. Wo ka wo diar. War ter. Wo ka ya madamat. Kene rote. Kujole ya sultan. Parmanship. Koi ka kuma. Amar kila ben kene wok. Kemene ye kule. Amada wope. Ka wo diar. Achukuru. Mana do wok. Wo ba mar loy. Ne pe de doro. Tibi wo ma loy tin. Achi koi ka munasa manuel. Mana de ka bigi jal ting ye no piat. Achan pe jajinang tiu. Tibi wo nyutin. Abi wo diar chiting. Nong bay min ken to bay ken ni ko la guru te len abu ke bay tin ku diga belwel yong yen solution bu loy ko way diar ke chu penget na abu la le ke kuna lo woni mar ko wa wetuk abu bebe so mada achi bi chira mar chabab ko achi bi chira mar de sultan so mada bu ken we ani ko jiten.
One thing I've observed today is that we are really united for peace, and we are ready not to stand with our brothers and our sons who turns criminal.
I will come to you, Martin. Oh, okay.
My observation today, David and colleagues, seeing the community members, the chief, the youth holding themselves accountable and questioning themselves why things are not changing, I think to me was very interesting, but a bit also worried because of the tempers that were going up. But I'm glad to all of them that they manage the emotions. Thank you.
Right. Any final observation before we move on?
For me, I think we are committed, but I think we should try and look where we've come from. From the discussions we had today, I could see people were still stinging to the past. Let's forget about the past and move on, because once we commit and we say, "Oh, these people have done this, these have done this," we will not go anywhere.
Yes. One more.
Thank you. In my observation today, in this discussion, we are really trying to find a solution for a lasting peace based in the discussion. Thank you.
Good evening. Abonar Nigaro. Male. I think right. Observation again. Sorry. My observation today is that the peace song that we played in the morning sent a very powerful message of peace. I wish tomorrow, if we begin the session, we need to play that song. It sends a very powerful message to 3 communities. We were seeing ourselves together. Thank you.
Perfect. I think, okay. I just Commodore. Yeah.
Hallelujah. Chỉ nói là theo cái sao rồi mà thôi đó là rồi. Đó đó là Jeremy na kang na rồi. Cháu có đuôi con quan, nên cháu có mặt. Dong biết rồi mà thôi mẹ quan nó mới là mới trả lời được. Mới cái đi al su cái luôn. Cái quay cái nhân có đến gì. Dong buang được là khut. Hallelujah. Rồi đấy, con gor có ganun cái gì này còn lại hiện darin. Ganun bagor. Cháu có mặt được bao nhiêu đó cái điểm. Có con bao nhiêu tin bao lâu bagor. Bao lâu nhiêu đó mà jal đó mà jal gabo. Thế làm sao vậy không? Gor go baga nun gor langut yu jal ko. Bako kang rei doar.
Last observation from Gordon.
To me, is how Rob brought the boiling pot down today. Was amazing. He did well.
So they
Talla bung nana. Lalyao nga ye gon bo gidal chen aye ne gon. Talamo are ne manade ma. Gijika ne utugu talamo. Manade me jagal kis kala alo katallina dalo nga ye korat. Ece goni ba le wo bina ka ba be chen de gon manya ka goriya che watua. Kan ne mire ma miri. Ma barat ko ne nyun kalo ke chen cha joya erat katallina erat ale buk. Kitene ne cho ba kachinna. Gamnya egganone erat ale.
Good evening to everyone. What I want to say is that to all of us, when the truth is said, please let us not be annoyed and let us accept our mistakes or what we have done. Thank you.
finally, I wanted to test because Sultan mentioned that this small boy called Rob, whether he's smiling. Are you smiling, Rob? Let's just find out if you are smiling. He's smiling. He's smiling. So, all right. So, because our ministers are not here, so one commissioner will close for us. I don't know who. So then it means anyone can close for us officially. Then we have who's praying? Mama Mary will pray for us.
Mala ana be mataki da mal bitai. La da na gula commissioners da shan wan ma gula no na buzulum. Mai wada kalam na? Wada na salam al commissioners peace canal madazamat kullu salatin use tiyad al mara salam alaikum. ما في حاجة بنزيده لأنه نحن تعبانين كلنا. لو زول سيادة لو شاب ناس كتير كده زادوا عنده فرصة ممكن يوري حاجة عندهم. يعني المسؤولية سلموا لي وضمن زمن الناس بقابل بكره يكون ياتو زمن الساعة كم؟ يعني ده كان بتاع من النفرين. اوكي الساعة 8 بكره بكل اي زول اننا في مال واحد اننا نكون هنا، وانا متاكد الوزراء وجفرنرز ممكن يجي هنا زادو يقبل وننا ماشيين قدام. الكلمة بتاع مباراه بتاع الدكتور يقاي كوك ممكن اننا نسمع منه البقرة منهم، ما في زول بيقولوا فينا هنا. و يا اكسلنسي جفرنر بتاع جريتا بايبور ممكن يقول حاجة بقرة هنا. يعني أنا تعبانين أنت لو أنت في اجتماع ده ما تقعد في بيت تقول إنه بقفلوا بقرة أنت تسمع من زول تاني، كلنا هنا نجي هنا. وأنا متأكد إنه يكون عندنا زول ويجي يسأل ربنا. هسا أننا بنقفل ذاته بانتفال. ميري يسألنا ربنا وبعدها أننا نمشي.
Anyak benin ci wanu ya kiti gizi ka ben. Anyak benin ci rum nyeta get. Adi benin ne murle kunwera rum nyeni rum nyedi eso tuenda baljalangin su kom gijerum nyet ki muden ka gerezoi dulbego yeso ne dini zeba giza tuenda dan ka ki murle ngarum nyeni arum eso tuenda baljalangin su kom gijerum nyet ki muden ka gerezoi Biyewe yeso ne tuenda murne kinera rumyeni rumyeni eto tuenda baljalane kumuben kagrebai biyewe bagida tuenda ai beninchi aro balli kodo. Ci iu karitan dan kabuni tamai kado ye terko ya o ya lor ye ngaret kedem dia naga ke ngdal denga jude. Pangariyo. Alam wa be tamake lota. Pat roge to kamero ne kizain ketalnina. Oromen merdolugun. Jokutamo. Anye tanye lo kado en ijuna kadi charta ban ko anye kide ganon tinang teku. Ci tumlogo ka gurdina. Tunga dumurle bacinu. Ci kaldi gero ka guna naga. Hagbari cinang. Munyene tika munyawal golong geta. Bawa tunga bacinu. Maka dua gigi jelang endidi tunga yalabak. Alan ka nyizain. Ngeret korobjo. Ketem kuda yakir redinta. Kiyo beli jadi net baka bunda ba kometa moro. Nyet ka tetal ninta kiwen redinta. Maliti ngere ket korobjo. Nyet didu kudu tao kiwen didi chalang kaluta leti. Eti kwa niyo kadiwana kasi naktungi chazito. Anya kungi chelto. Anya kungi chazito. Mali nagali tino gajak. Kegna kerdete mudli. Mudana dok. Abunda kegna kerdete nagadon. Tunga bachinuk. Nyet ganan yo kete ganan wabil ben nen. Mayung management kiyo tis kanal alwati vital makabugan kada ina pogi nangina alang ka kita wala wati ka buga uda mam makada kada in jinu labak tede ka boyat baka ngron ka kuro ko kita nulewenen celang badi ko boga duwana yo kuta molang to kuja ka pak tele ti dai Dr. Maka Nidai, Alan Gare Golduk, Yet Kotana Gado Yak, Mayuk Chabab, Mayuk Ngai, Mayuk Alat, Mayuk Aldo Kobenta. There we took it to a Megate la cage.
Wana batakid anana binagum باسم بتاع يسوع المسيح دول بمشي بيته وبنوم بدون أي حاجة بكرة صباح أننا بنجي هنا في مال قفلنا انتمادا الساعة 3 ده والساعة 4 بنفس الوقت وأننا بنفرتك. هللويا.
Shukran. Thank you so much. We report back here tomorrow at 8. At 8, so that we close early. Yes, thank you. Leave the headset. Leave the headset in the chair. Of the ICGS meeting in Juba, as we earlier communicated. Today, as I presented in the afternoon, the participants from different language groups, chiefs, women, commissioners, discussed in their separate groups on different questions relating to traditional mobile courts. Women were discussing the women conference, what they will address, where and when that meeting should take place. The youth also discussed the roads opening between communities, different Payams and counties, that is Akobo, Uror, Twitch, Duke County, Bor South, Gumuruk, and Lupangule. The youth have agreed specific roads that they are going to open with specific dates, starting with July 30th and above. The women also have agreed to have a women conference within July, and they will agree the location depending on the logistics. And this conference will bring all the women from Murle, some women representative from Murle, women representative from Greater Kobanayot, and women representative from Greater Bor, that is Twitch East, Duk, and Bor South County. Pibor will be Baratet, the Pibor County, the Kwangule, and Gumruk. Greater Kobanayot will have Akobo East, Akobo West, Ror, Ayot, and Nirol County. So representatives of women will come from these counties. They will have a conference in Bor to discuss women and children abduction and the role of women in reducing these ongoing issues in the region. The youth want to open these roads to increase accessibility that will boost exchange visits. Some criminals, when they see youths are moving in these roads that they have suggested to be opened, a lot of criminality will reduce according to them. The chiefs are saying if these courts are going to be established and functional, most of the cases that are not resolved will be resolved. That will see decline in conflicts that are happening, including road ambushes and other things. The last one is the boarding school. The commissioners have outlined the process of boarding school, the number of children, the location, and all this, and the teachers. The final agreement, the proposal is a suggestion, is no longer is not yet endorsed. They have suggested Gadiang that it is the center, the meeting point where a boarding school can be established, and they will begin with two classes. That is grade one and that is senior one and senior two. Moving forward, they will begin with two classes, and it is from these two classes that will take them up to senior four. So this is briefly what was discussed in the language groups, and that the report back will be made tomorrow by the representatives who were taking the minutes of their discussions. So we have come to the end of today, and thank you for joining us live on Facebook of Jagwong Media Productions. Thank you, Jagwong, for this wonderful work. You have been with us since day one up to today. We appreciate your efforts. We did not go off, and your services are excellent. We appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.